The next thing that I want us to talk about is to check how to add the resources. Specifically here, I'm going to add only the human resources, the team members, because for us to complete a deliverable, we need to engage on activities like you can see here. These are our activities. These are our activities. So we can allocate activities to specific team members. So that's why we need to populate this column called human resource. Remember, like I said, before you can come, it is imperative for you to have an activity list because all this information that you're going to populate here will come from activity. For example, let's say I need Sylvester as the PM who is going to do the activity number one. So I'm going to say PM, for example, let's say Sylvester. So Sylvester is your PM. Can you see I manually wrote this? I manually scheduled. So Sylvester now is going to be responsible for this activity, as you can see, for researching the venue. Can you see now the PM here? But again, maybe I don't want to write each and every role player separate. What I can do instead of just writing them one by one, I can come here. Can you see here? Anywhere here, and I can right click here. If I right click, you will see I'm going to have some options. And those options you can see one of them is resource sheet. So I can compile a sheet so that when I go and allocate in future, I can just select. So when I click on the resource list, can you see now? I clicked on the resource list. Can you see Sylvester is already captured? He is part of what? Of this list. So I can add other members here. For example, I can say I need project administrator, and I say maybe it's Lerato, and then I can say I need let's say the marketing manager. Let's say I say it's Sabrina, for example. And then maybe I need the driver, and maybe the driver, we need the driver by the name of Siam Tanda. Let me just call it Sia. And then the last one, let's say we need the security officer. Security officer. And then let's say our security officer here is Tamika. Can you see now? I'm just giving you an example. Can you see now? So these are the team members. So it means that I have them on my list. So I can go back to my Gantt chart. Can you see now? And so that I can be able to check now. So after doing that, I just go back. I can right click again here. Can you see now? Now I go back to the Gantt chart. I say Gantt chart. Can you see I went back there? You can see now I can go to that column once again. The second activity here, instead of manually typing, I can just select now. Can you see now? Now I can select what? Sabrina, enter. Can you see now? Here I can select maybe Tamika, for example. Can you see now? And then enter. And then now here I can select what? Lerato. Can you see now? Enter. And then now I can select, yes, let's see, driver here, see. Can you see now? So it's up to you how you want to add. But I'm telling you, even if you manually add, it's going to be part of the resource list or the resource sheet. Can you see now? You can see all those names of the allocated personnel. They are written here. So this is what we call the Gantt chart. Can you see now? So it means all the information we populated will come from your activities. I hope that it makes sense.